Today's story, Mia, Lucas, and their Garden of Hearts. Reflexi-Adventures, children's stories that promote values for the family and school.
In a quiet corner of the world, there was a magical garden known as the Garden of Hearts. Brightly colored flowers grew in this garden, each in the shape of a heart. Each magical heart had a special power. It could transmit love and forgiveness to those who needed it. Two siblings, Mia and Luca, discovered the Garden of Hearts one day while exploring the nearby forest. Each one chose a heart flower to care for. Mia was taking care of a bright pink heart flower, while Luca was taking care of a golden heart flower. At first, Mia and Luca shared their discovery with joy, but they soon began to have differences. Mia thought the pink color of her magical heart was the most beautiful, while Luca thought the gold color of her heart was the most special. Their arguments and fights filled the garden with shadows and sadness. One day, a storm broke out in the garden, causing the heart flowers to wither and lose their shine. Mia and Luca realized that their rivalry had damaged the garden and their magical hearts. Full of remorse, they hugged and cried together. Seeing the brothers' tears fall on the withered flowers, a miracle occurred. The heart flowers began to shine even brighter than before. Mia and Luca realized that, when they put rivalry aside, and listen to each other and peacefully resolve their conflicts or differences, life is much more beautiful and constructive. Together, Mia and Luca tended the garden, sharing their love and forgiveness with all who needed it. The heart flowers bloomed stronger than ever, and their magic spread throughout the world, touching people's hearts and reminding them of the importance of love and forgiveness. Mia and Luca understood that love and forgiveness are the most powerful gifts we can give and receive. They learned the value of loving, forgiving, and being at peace with others. Thus, hearts can shine with a special magic that transforms the world around us. Because ultimately, the most important garden that we must take care of, it is our heart.
If you like this children's story, follow us on social networks for more. We also invite you to subscribe to the Reflexi-Adventures channel, available on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. See you in the next story.